humans, our regions really define like what remedies we utilize and what remedies we really need. We go outside and we find stinging nettles in this like disturbed area on the edge. It's kind of protected because stinging nettle prefers this area, prefers damp and fertile, nitrogen-rich soil. It's pretty resilient, but it does best in part shade. Now, dandelion is pretty resilient too. It's adapted to many different areas and it's widespread. But dandelion prefers to be in the sun. You can see dandelion like everywhere. It does okay in disturbed soil. Much like dandelion, plantain prefers these disturbed areas. It prefers more moist, nutrient-rich soil. It can handle full sun to part shade is more of the preference. But another one of those storytelling indicators we can look at is the pH level of the soil. So plantain has a preference for neutral to slightly acidic soils. Basically, it's just what the plant is telling us it likes. It's telling us what kind of soil, what it needs to be fed. And these are good clues as to what might be feeding on these plants. These things can go hand in hand. So your soil that's baking in the sun is probably going to be a little bit drier than the dense soil in the forest. Cranesbill wild geranium is in a very specific part of my forest, actually closer to where I have some birch trees. I'm thinking because it's humus-rich soil, and you can do fun little like soil tests. This is what our indigenous communities, Native Americans, and enslaved communities had to depend on. They needed these skills and knowledge to survive. I think it's important to appreciate it, and I do think it's really valuable knowledge to share. If you find a plant or learn about a plant and you're just curious about it, you have questions, you want some guidance, schedule an herbal support session with me. I have online and in person available. Bring pictures, ask your questions. You can also schedule a free introduction with me first to see if this is the best fit. So I highly encourage you, check out my website for more information about that. And if you enjoyed this video, like, follow along for more. And without further ado, do not forget that you are loved. Peace.